Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Bike Spoke tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any cyclist, whether you're a casual rider enjoying a weekend cruise or a seasoned racer pushing the limits on the track. This seemingly simple gadget plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and performance of your wheels, ensuring they remain true and responsive for a safer and more enjoyable ride. Without a reliable spoke tool, even minor adjustments can become a frustrating ordeal, potentially leading to more significant issues down the line. Number 5. Park Tool Triple Spoke Wrench. Introducing the Park Tool Triple Spoke Wrench, your ultimate solution for bicycle spoke adjustments. It's designed for precision and durability, ensuring your bike is always ready to ride. We offer a comprehensive range of bicycle repair and maintenance tools. From routine tune-ups to complex repairs, we have you covered. Proudly made in the USA, this tool embodies quality and reliability. Experience the difference that American craftsmanship makes. This versatile wrench is essential for any cyclist. Keep your wheels true and your ride smooth with this indispensable tool. Its robust construction ensures it can handle the demands of frequent use. Invest in a tool that will serve you for years to come. What we like. This tool is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship. It's built to last and comes with multiple sizes to fit various spokes. If you prioritize American-made quality and a reliable, long-lasting tool for general spoke adjustments, this is a solid choice. What people say. Fits in the palm of your hand. Made of a durable alloy, is a solid 3-way spoke wrench. Spoke size is 0, 1, 2. Fits onto the spoke on 3 sides and the wrench is easy to use. The tool itself had a slight burr running along the outside edge of the slots, so I sanded them smooth. But it's a great tool. My bike with steel wheels didn't need much adjusting, but my 2 bikes with aluminum wheels benefited a lot. The material is heavy and doesn't feel like a toy, no sharp edges and the wrench tolerance is tight as they should be. Size 2 fits perfectly on my gravel bike spoke nipple and turn them without that wobbly or loose feeling that usually ends up rounding the nipple or the tool itself. This Park Tool SW 7.2 I can confirm the packaging says made in USA. Number 4. Aluminum Alloy Bicycle Spoke Tension Meter, Yellow. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last. Its sturdy design ensures it won't easily deform, providing reliable use for a long time. Easily measure the tension of any bicycle spoke, whether you're building, truing, or diagnosing wheel issues. It's an essential tool for any bike maintenance workbench. This device goes beyond just tension. It features a built-in spoke thickness gauge, simplifying the entire wheel building and adjustment process. Its multi-purpose design allows you to accurately measure the spoke tension on virtually any bicycle wheel. It's the perfect accessory for maintaining your bike's wheels. The package includes the tensiometer and a wrench, providing everything you need to reliably measure the tension of all spokes in your wheel. While it's a simple tool, it effectively helps you assess spoke tension. Remember, for absolute precision, professional instruments might be needed, but this tool is great for general adjustments. What we like. This tool goes beyond just adjusting spokes, it measures their tension, which is crucial for wheel building and diagnostics. It even includes a spoke thickness gauge for added convenience. If you're serious about building or truing wheels, diagnosing problems, or ensuring precise spoke tension on a new build, this is the tool for you. What people say. It worked perfectly for me to show me the tension of each spoke and to know to tighten or to loosen to keep them consistent. Bundling it with the spoke tightening tool was a nice touch. No more guessing, spoke tensions on the right side of a wheel should be close to matching, ditto the left side of the wheel. Right and left tensions should be close to each other, not necessarily the same to center the wheel. This takes the guessing out of spoke tightness and aids with alignment. Number 3. 10-piece bike spoke wrench tool kit. Introducing a comprehensive 10-piece bike spoke wrench tool kit designed to tackle most bicycle maintenance needs. This set ensures you have the right tool for every repair. It includes various spoke wrenches with different sizes and types, such as double-headed and Y-shaped wrenches. These are perfect for adjusting spokes and ensuring your wheels are true. Also included is a sturdy tire lever, designed to easily remove tough tires without damaging your rims or inner tubes. It's a reliable companion for any ride. Crafted from robust, rust-resistant metal steel, these tools are built to last. The ergonomic rubber handles provide a secure grip, preventing slips during use. This kit is an essential for any cyclist, whether you ride road bikes or mountain bikes. It makes removing, tightening, and installing bike spokes incredibly convenient. Consider this set as a thoughtful gift for any cycling enthusiast. It provides everything they need to easily maintain their bicycles and keep riding smoothly. What we like. This is a complete 10-piece kit, offering a wide array of tools including tire levers and various spoke wrenches. It even features ergonomic rubber handles for a comfortable grip. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for most common bike repairs and want a kit that covers more than just spokes, this is an excellent value. What people say. This tool kit works well. I got it mostly for the spoke tools and it has all the sizes I needed to true up my bike wheels. Very nice assortment of various sizes of spoke tools. Using one of the spoke wrenches ordered, and following the instructions found on YouTube, Park Tool channel, the wheel was trued up in no time. Number 2. Goabroa 8-in-1 Bike Spoke Wrench. Keep your bike wheels perfectly true with this essential tool. It's designed for precise tension adjustment, making spoke correction a breeze. No need to worry about compatibility. This wrench covers all common spoke sizes from 10G to 15G, ensuring it fits most bicycles. Crafted from hardened steel with a durable chrome-plated finish, this tool is built to withstand regular use and last for years. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry on your rides or store in your toolkit. Always be prepared for adjustments on the go. Each tool is rigorously inspected for quality assurance. It's a reliable addition to your bike maintenance gear and a great gift for any cyclist. What we like. This tool is an 8-in-1 solution crafted from durable, hardened steel for precision adjustments. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable. If you need a versatile, robust, and easy-to-carry tool for on-the-go spoke adjustments and rim truing, this is an ideal option. What people say. It works and get the job done when I use it. It's a nice tool to have when you need to tighten the spokes up. This wrench has a knurled edge to give a good grip and it's solid metal. I had no trouble tuning up that wheel, and the wrench is small and light enough to go right in the bike bag. Lightweight and easy to use. Works like it should, and I like that it fits multiple spoke sizes, and because of its shape it is comfortable enough to hold that you don't feel like you might over-tighten or under-adjust. Number 1. Bike Spoke Adjustment Wrench Bicycle Rim Truing Tool. Keep your bike in top condition with this essential spoke adjustment wrench. It's a must-have tool for any cyclist. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with 9H hardness, this tool is built to last. It ensures reliable performance for all your adjustments. Easily tighten spokes and correct rim deformation for a smoother ride. It's designed for precision and effectiveness. This tool is compatible with a wide range of spoke nipple sizes, including 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. It offers great versatility. Weighing only 1.94 ounces, it's incredibly small and lightweight. You can easily carry it with you on any ride. This set includes 2 specialized wrenches to handle all your rim truing needs. They work together to ensure your wheels are perfectly aligned. What we like. This set includes 2 essential spoke wrenches made from durable stainless steel with 9H hardness. They are small, lightweight, and perfect for quick adjustments. If you need a simple, effective, and portable solution for basic spoke tightening and rim correction, especially for carrying on rides, this set is a great choice. What people say. The tool with the rubber handle fit the spokes on my wheel and I was able to straighten it out nicely. The all-metal tool isn't as ergonomic but fits multiple spoke sizes, which is great if you need it. This wrench is described as 14 model, tightening 36 spokes on each wheel is painful. A tension of 130 kgf is needed on the drive side of the rear motor hub wheel. I ended up using this vinyl-coated circular unit since it had a bit more leverage and felt more comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.